I think that the Governor comes out of, using my political background, my sports background, and also the entertainment background, and combine it all into one and creating this superhero that surrounds himself with the people that he has worked with in the past, and also with some young kids that are very, very talented, that are good in hacking computers and creating the most powerful vehicles and the power suits that they get into. So I have this superpowers and all kinds of gadgets. So this is kind of a combination of all my lives together, and someone that is a bad and in many ways a good superhero that confronts the worst of the worst villains and also disasters. Yeah, exactly, that's right. And the interesting thing is, and the fun thing about it is, that my family doesn't even know that I'm doing that. Yeah. So they think that we're really worried about Arnold, and we're worried about our guy here. He should be going to an office, or he should be doing something, he should be busy with something. But in the meantime, down below the house, way below, I have this pad that has all of those vehicles and speedboats and helicopters and motorcycles that shaped around my body, and all kinds of specialties things that will make it very entertaining. Yeah, it's multimedia, it's a multi-platform, it's from comic books, print and digital, to television series, 52 segments a year, and it will be geared for kids from 5 to 85-year-old people. It will have also games and various different merchandising, and eventually also, besides the TV series, it will have also a 3D movie, a feature film that will come out probably in late of 2012, early 2013. Hasta la vista, baby. It's a good one, it's a good line. You can't pick one over the other, because there was a lot of great quotes, great lines that I've used in the movies, and I'm very happy that 5 or 6 of my lines always show up amongst the top movie lines. So I think that is because the writing was done well, the directing was done well, and I said the lines in a very memorable way, which is the most important thing when you say lines like that. So I'm delighted. So I hope that with Pump It Up in The Governor, we have some new lines there.